Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. I'm feeling alright. I don't know what to say. I think that a lot of people, especially younger people these days, are having a lack of meaning in their life. They're having a crisis of meaninglessness. I just wanted to briefly send out a message to anyone who's going through some sort of hard time in life, some sort of lack of purpose in life, and I just wanted to let you know that there's only one you, and God made you for a reason. Trust me, there are many things that you can do that no one else could do, and I can't teach it to you. So keep your chin up, kid. There's something that you have that no one else has, and if you haven't found your unique talent yet, keep on grinding it out. Keep on trying to find motivation. If you like to take a walk, get those feet moving. Left foot right, right foot left. Just keep on moving on. If you like to read, get that knowledge churning and start learning. If you like to exercise, well then go to the gym. Get those calories burning. Many people think that anything that a man does is ultimately to attract a female. Well, that's not true. You gotta find meaning in life. Certain times in life, you just gotta do something because it's your purpose. Not for anyone, not for any reason else. You owe it to yourself to give your life meaning. One thing I wanted to mention is that I find people put too much importance on beauty, fashion, and owning the biggest house on the block. People want to have the nicest earrings, the nicest clothing, the nicest shoes. The way you appear to others is a ginormous indicator of how you will be treated in this world. But why? Why would it matter how you look if one day you'll just descend into darkness forever? The way I see it, there's nothing more important in life than ascension over descension. Spending eternity with the Father. Do you know what the rulers of this world think you are? They think you're ignorant, and they think you're profanely stupid. But you know what? The reason why they think that is because they're full of pagan-rooted history and pagan practices. They're without God themselves. And they hate Christians. Did you ever notice that? Why does all these groups, these occult circles that control the world, why do they hate Jesus and Christianity so much? Out of all the religions in the world, you don't see them mocking Buddha. You don't see them mocking other religious figures. Why? Why Yeshua? Well, there's just something about the light of Christ that they haven't tried. Why would they do the bidding of the devil if apparently, according to the mass majority of the world, he doesn't even exist? Why do the bidding of a fictional character? You know what I mean? Well, hey, I mentioned adrenochrome in one of my videos. I hear that's just an Alex Jones conspiracy. In reality, all they really do is torture and sexually abuse little kids. So hey, I guess it's not that bad, eh guys? But don't worry. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to allow the light of Christ to shine through you and prove to the world leaders that you're not ignorant and profanely stupid. Let there be no fashion contests. Let it be a contest of light versus darkness. Let your heart shine through and show them that they're the ones who are ignorant and profanely stupid to the love of God. God is love, and it's something beyond. It's something more than we can comprehend. God put you here for a reason. Give meaning to your life. You owe it to yourself to give meaning to your life. Believe me, when I was younger, I didn't know what my purpose in life was either. There were times when I didn't know which foot to put in front of the other. These days, I couldn't be happier to see tomorrow. And I just crushed 940 calories on the treadmill. That's not something I do because she likes it. That's something I do for me. I go to the gym not so I could be a muscle man, but for my mental health. I ride the bicycle, not to impress anyone, to impress myself. Something that I like to do. And I recommend, if anyone's having a mental health crisis, go for a run. Hop on the bicycle. Get that adrenaline rush going. Works for me. If you don't like to exercise, well then do something else. Increase your knowledge. Expand your mind. Heal your mind, body, and soul. Pray to the Lord. I'm reading the Bible at my own rate. Sometimes I've been working so much that I don't always have the time. When I get home from work, I'm totally exhausted and then I just pass out and fall asleep. But one thing I enjoyed, one lesson I learned in the book of Luke, Jesus was asked, why are you feasting? Why are you having this meal with outcasts? Do you know what Yeshua said? Well, healthy people don't need a doctor, only those who are sick. If you don't belong in this world, if you feel like an outcast, I know just the guy who you need to seek. Because the friends that you look for, the friendship that you're seeking, exists beyond the stars, all the way up, beyond the clouds, all the best, and all the rest. If you're depressed, get some rest. Realize God made you for a reason.